I'm going to show you guys a quick grocery haul. So there's no dinner type stuff here. This is just like snack type stuff and then lunch stuff for the next couple of weeks. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, let me know and I'll do more for you guys. So we'll start over here. I did get a couple 12 packs. They were on sale, $5 each if you got 3 of them. So I got a Cherry Pepsi, a Mountain Dew, and a Sunkist. And then I got just the Kroger brand Dr. K. And then I did pick up this Simple Truth Organic Seltzer water. I do like to drink sparkling water. I don't drink a whole lot of pop. Corey is the one that drinks most of the pop. I drink a pop like maybe twice a month. I usually drink just my coffee and my sparkling water. And I usually drink bubbly or the AHA, but this one was on sale for cheaper and I know that this is a really good brand, so I did get this one. It's the strawberry watermelon one. I also got 3 of these Lacroix sparkling waters. These are my favorite. This is my favorite brand of sparkling water. So I got the black raspberry watermelon, and then this is a new one I haven't seen before, and it's called Beach Plum. So I thought that sounded good. And then the kids like to have ramen for lunch. So I just grabbed some of the chicken ones and then some of the shrimp ones, and then Acaysia grabbed a couple of these cup noodles for herself because she doesn't really like these ones. Also, I am doing this on the floor because that's just where we set the groceries when we came in, and rather than having to handle everything twice by picking it up and putting it on the table and then taking it off the table and putting it away, I just figured I would do it this way, make it easier on myself. I did grab a gallon of white milk and then 2 half gallons of half and half. This is what I like to use for my coffee. I can't really use any creamer, although I love creamer. It gives me a stomach ache. So this is what I use. I got a bag of the Kroger brand Cocoa Puffs for the kids cereal. We grabbed a couple boxes of snacks. We got 2 boxes of honey buns, a boxes of Nutty Buddies, and a box of oatmeal cream pies. And a lot of this stuff will last a lot longer than a week. It's just that, you know, that's just how often we go, is probably about once a week or so. And then I got a thing of my coffee. This is the Maxwell House. It's just the original roast. I got just a big pack of eggs, an 18-pack of eggs, and then I got a thing of butter. This is just the cheap butter. And then Acaysia grabbed a Lunchable for herself. And then we grabbed a bunch of fruit. We got a thing of bananas. I did get them like not fully ripe just so that they wouldn't go bad because we got so much. And then I grabbed a, what do you call these things? A shell. So we got a shell of blueberries, a shell of raspberries, got this thing of pre-cut pineapple, and then we've got a thing of strawberries. And then we got some hot sauce just because we always have to have that on hand. And then I grabbed 2 loaves of bread, and then I just got 2 bags of the Kroger brand pizza rolls. I got 4 of these. These were on clearance for $1.79. This is the Tazo iced passion tea. It's the same passion tea that they use at Starbucks, just in case you guys were curious, and it's one of our favorite teas, so I grabbed all the ones that they had on clearance there. And then we got a thing of the Kroger Creamy Ranch. This is my favorite ranch, like over Hidden Valley, over Kraft, over any brand name ranch. This is my favorite ranch. And then Kai wanted a burrito, so he got this red hot beef burrito from Tina's. And then we grabbed this big bag of Lay's sour cream and onion chips, a big box of the pepperoni mini pizza bagels, and then we grabbed this big box of the pepperoni pizza hot pockets, this little box of hot pockets for Kai, the meatballs and mozzarella. We grabbed 3 of these Blake's shepherd's pie. This is Corey's like favorite lunch, so I grabbed a bunch of those for him. And then I grabbed this DiGiorno little personal pepperoni pizza for Kai. And then I think everything else is pretty much for our dinner tonight. I grabbed a bag of just the Kroger russet potatoes because we're gonna have baked potatoes. And then I grabbed sharp shredded cheddar to put on the potatoes, as well as some sour cream to go on the potatoes. And then I got cottage cheese for one of our sides. And then we're also gonna have a box of macaroni and cheese, but this 3-pack was like a better deal, so I just got the 3-pack. And then we're also gonna have some corn on the cob, so I just grabbed the Kroger brand frozen corn on the cob. And we're just gonna have some steaks. So I just grabbed a couple packs of steaks. We also just got this Kroger brand steak sauce. It's just like A1, tastes exactly like A1 sauce. And then we got the Kroger brand 1883 sauce, and this is exactly like Heinz 57. You literally can't taste the difference with it. So yeah, we got those to go with our steaks tonight. And then these were also on clearance. These were only $2, and it's like the float straws for ice cream floats. So it's got the spoon on the bottom, and then it came with a straw cleaner too, which I actually needed a new one. So $2 for 4 ice cream float straws and a straw cleaner is not bad. And then these were also on clearance. I thought these were awesome. We got these for $5. They were half off. And it's a 6-pack of color changing tumblers with the lid and then the straws. When you put a cold drink in it, it changes colors. Acaysia just had her cold hand on this bottom cup right here and it turned a deep purple. Pretty cool. And then I got some makeup items there. I grabbed a few things from L'Oreal. I grabbed this True Touch Mineral Blush. This is in the shade Pinched Pink. I've got the loose setting powder of this, but I didn't even know that they made blush, so I grabbed this one and it's like a purpley color. It's so pretty. It's got like a sheen to it too. So that's the swatch. It looks more pinky on camera. It's not gonna focus. There we go. It does look more like a baby pink on camera, but it is like purpley. It's so weird that it's showing up like that. And that's blended in so you can see the sheen that it has to it. It's so pretty. I don't know why this is wanting to focus on the carpet and not my hand. But anyways, yeah, it's really pretty. And then it also has the brush, so that's pretty cool. I also grabbed 2 of the True Match Super Blendable blushes. I got one in the shade Sweet Ginger and then Apricot Kiss. So I'll swatch those for you really quick. So there's the swatches of those. The top one is Apricot Kiss and then the bottom one is Sweet Ginger. So the top one is like pinky apricot and then the bottom one is more like a rosy mauve color. Both super pretty. They both kind of have a sheen to them too. And then these also come with a little brush that I'll probably never use, but they both come with a little brush underneath and a mirror. Those are my first blushes from that line. I have other L'Oreal blushes, but not from either one of these lines. And then the last thing from L'Oreal that I got is this Lumi Glotion, and this is in the shade 902 Light Glow. I think they have like a light medium, a medium dark, and a dark. So I just got the light. And I think I already have the light medium. I like having different options, but it's super pretty, and I'll swatch that for you. Sorry, you guys have to stare at my legs, but it's the only way I can get it to focus. But that's the Lumi Glotion, and you can use this as like an actual liquid highlighter, or you can mix it in with your foundation to make illuminating foundation, or you can put it on after your primer and for your foundation just to have that like glow from within, which is what I usually do with it, but it's so pretty. I love it. And then from CoverGirl, I just grabbed these 2 CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk, and I just grabbed 2 different shades, you know, because sometimes I'm tan and sometimes I'm fair, but I grabbed one in 550 light medium and then I grabbed one in 520 fair. I'm not even gonna lie, I basically just got these because of the pink packaging. I just bought the pressed powder in the same line, like the whole line is pink, so it's super cute. And then from Maybelline, I've already been wearing these too. This makeup stuff I got from Kroger at a separate time, but I just thought I'd throw it in here now instead of doing a separate haul. But I grabbed these lifter glosses from Maybelline. These are absolutely stunning. I want every shade that they have. I love them so much. I love the packaging too, like the clear acrylic packaging with the nude tops. I just think they're so pretty. So I got the shade 004 Silk. It's got a green dot on it because I've taken it to work, and if we take any makeup to work that we sell there, we got to put a green dot on it so they know that it's ours. And then this one is in the shade 005 Petal. So I'll swatch these for you. I'm actually just going to swatch them right on my leg. So this one is the shade Silk, and it's a nude. So freaking pretty. It's very pigmented, high shine, very glossy, stunning. I absolutely love these so much. I want every color. And then this one is a little bit more of like a berry color, and this one is in the shade Petal. There we go, like a rosy, like a petal. So that's those. Stunning, highly recommend those. And then also from Maybelline, I just grabbed this Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and again, I pretty much just got this because of the pink packaging. I got this in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm excited to try that, and those. I haven't tried those either. And then I know I'm super duper like 8 years late to the game on these, but I've never tried these contour sticks from Wet n Wild, and I've like always wanted to. There wasn't a reason that I didn't try them. I just like never did for some reason. But I finally picked these up. I picked up 2 shades again because, you know, I like to have a variety of options. But but I got one in the shade 806 Wears Walnut, and then I got one in the shade 804A Oaks on You. So I'll swatch those for you really quick. This one is Oaks on You. I always like to have like some cool toned and some warm toned options, and then this one's in Wears Walnut. This one's more cool tone, that one's just more warm tone because I like to have an option for each one because I tend to have more of a warm undertone in the summertime, so I don't know why I pointed to that one when that's the cool toned one. But yeah, so that's those. They're very creamy, so I can't wait to try those out. And then I just figured while I was doing this, because I stopped by the party store down the road on my way home to get some bagged ice, so I'll just show you a few things that I picked up from there since it's all here with the same stuff. I grabbed a roll of paper towel and I grabbed a thing of sponges. I always grab these sponges from there because they're all pink. I grabbed a thing of SOS pads, and then I grabbed this little fruit fly trap, and I literally just got it because it was so cute. But basically it says that like if you have any fruit flies in your house, you just put fruit down in here and they'll like get in there through that thing and they'll get trapped down in there. But I literally just got it because it was so cute. And then I grabbed 2 candles. I normally don't like these candles from there because they don't usually smell that great. If they do, it's like a very, very, very light scent, and you can only smell it like when you smell the wax. You don't smell it when you actually light it. But these 2 actually smelled super duper good. This one smells way better than this. This is Jolly Rancher Watermelon. I got them both because they were pink, obviously. This one actually smells super good. And then this one actually, you probably won't be able to smell this one when you light it, but I just got it because it was pink. But this one is in Starburst Watermelon. And then Kai needed a new toothbrush, and I'd forgotten to get him one, so I just grabbed him these ones from there from the Quate brand. I'm pretty sure they sell those at Dollar Tree, but I thought they were pretty cool looking, and they're like really good quality. I don't know if you can see that, but they're super duper good quality. But yeah, so I got that. And then I always get these wipes from there because they have the Disney Princess on them, and you guys know I'm obsessed with the Disney Princesses, but I just use them to like wipe off swatches and stuff like that. But look at the packaging, it's so cute. And then the last thing I got were these flossers that we were also out of, and I just needed some, so I grabbed those. And that is it. That's everything that we got to last for the next couple of weeks. We already have like all of our dinner stuff here, so this is just stuff to snack on and to have for like lunches and stuff to get us through the next couple weeks. If you guys enjoy like this type of content, like more lifestyle content, let me know and I'll do some more, but definitely make them more aesthetically pleasing instead of just doing them on my floor like this. But yes, if you guys enjoy this, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!